Today I am going to continue the chapter trigonometry, that is compound and multiple angles. From the book M.L. Agarwal, the exercise 10.2. The name of the chapter is trigonometry, that is compound and multiple angle. Last class I have already explained the formula required for the compound angle. Today I am going to the exercise 10.2 from the book M.L. Agarwal for ISC board. Question number 1, it is given, convert the following product into the sum or difference. Let us see exercise 10.2. See the question, exercise 10.2. Convert the following products into sums or difference. First part given 2 sin 3 theta into cos 2 theta. That means you have to apply here 2 sin A cos B formula. Second part given 2 cos 3 theta into sin 2 theta. That means here you have to apply 2 cos A sin B. Third part is given 2 sin 4 theta into sin 2 theta. That means the formula will be 2 sin A sin B. You have to apply here. The fourth part given 2 cos 7 theta into cos 3 theta. Means here 2 cos A cos B formula. The A will be always greater than angle B. B A greater than B. Okay. Just see one by one. I'm sorry. Question number 1. First part I have to write. First part it is given 2 sin 3 theta into cos 2 theta. Okay, that means here the formula you have to apply here 2 sin A into cos B. That is nothing but sin A plus B. Sin A plus B means here A means 3 theta, B means 2 theta. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Sin A minus B. The result will be, this is sin 5 theta plus sin theta. Okay, this is the answer. That means here you have applied here 2 sin A into cos B. Okay, I am writing the formula here for your convenience. 2 sin A cos B. The formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is the formula you have to apply here. Okay. Next go to the second part. The second part question given 2 cos 3 theta into sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. That means here A means 3 theta, B means here 2 theta. You have to apply the formula here 2 cos A sin B. The formula is nothing but sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Minus sin A minus, that is 3 theta minus 2 theta. Okay. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, that will be, result will be 2 cos 3 theta into sin 2 theta. So what is the result you are getting? This is nothing but sin 5 theta minus sin theta. Okay, I am writing the formula here for your first time. The class is there. You have to writing the formula here. 2 cos A sin B. The formula is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Minus sin A minus B. Okay. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, the result is 2 cos A sin B. Okay. Next I am going to third part. Third part question given 2 sin 4 theta. 2 sin 4 theta into sin 2 theta. That means here you have to apply 2 sin A sin B. The formula which you have to memorize, cos A minus B. 4 theta minus 2 theta. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. That means 4 theta plus 2 theta. Okay. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. As you know, cos A minus B formula is what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And here cos A plus formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. If I open the bracket, the first part will be cancelled out. The remaining, the second part will left, that is 2 sin 4 theta into sin 2 theta. You have to memorize 2 sin A sin B. The formula is cos a minus b minus cos a plus. The result is coming cos 2 theta, 4 theta minus 2 theta minus cos 4 theta plus 2, that is 6 theta. Okay. In this way I have completed the number 1, first part, second part, third part. Okay. Let us see the next. See the next fourth part. Question given 2 cos 7 theta into cos 3 theta. That means this is A and this one is B. 2 cos A cos B. So what is that formula? 2 cos A cos B formula is cos A plus B. That means cos 7 theta plus 3 theta. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay, that means 7 theta minus 3 theta. Cos A plus B formula is what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. And here cos A minus B formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That means minus sin A sin B plus sin A sin B cancel. This will come to cos A cos B. How much you are getting? That is cos 10 theta plus this will be cos 4 theta. I am writing the formula here for your convenience. 2 cos A into 2 cos A into cos B. The formula is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Okay. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, the formula will be 2 cos A cos B. In this way I have completed number 1 of the 4 parts. Okay. Next I am going to number 2. Question number 2. Question given evaluate. Question number 2 it is given evaluate. See the first part question given 2 cos 45 degree into cos 15 degree. Okay. 2 cos 45 into cos, that means 2 cos A cos B formula you apply here. Just as before I have done. 2 cos A cos B formula is what? I have written here 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus. Same formula apply here. That means here 2 cos A cos B. A means 45, B means 15. This will be cos A plus B. That means 15 plus 45 plus 15 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That is 45 minus 15. Now you tell me cos 45 plus 15, this means cos 60 degree plus cos 30 degree. Now they use the table values. Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. The answer is root 3 plus 1 by 2 after taking LCM. Okay, in this way number 2 first part I have completed. The second part question to see, it is given 2 sin 75 degree into sin 45 degree. That means you have to apply here 2 sin A sin B. The formula is cos A minus B. Cos A minus B, that is 75 minus 45. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, that is 75 plus 45. Okay. How much is getting? 75 minus 45, that is coming cos 30 degree minus cos, how much it will be? 75 plus 45, that means 120. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Cos 120 degree. Cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. That is, this should be minus 1 by 2. The final it will be root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. The result will be nothing but root 3 plus 1 by 2. This is the answer of number 2, first part, second part. In this way, I have completed today number 1, 4 part, number 2, 2 part. Okay, in this I have completed today 6 questions. Thank you for today class. Next day I will do more sum.